Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for checking out another video. I'm doing some more work to the front end. I feel like I have this bumper off every single day, but I still need to fix my splitter. It's still hanging down low, kind of a vlog kind of day, and I have a part to install. I was at Boxer Fest and Joey Montalto gave me a front brace from NBR that's supposed to work with the ETS front mount. ETS sent me out my bracket for my front mount. I got that all squared away, and so I'm going to install that also. I might paint that black before I install it. And something happened with my helo horns. I don't know what happened, but they stopped working. So I got to figure out what happened with that. I don't know if the ground kind of got loose or something weird happened, but I'm going to check into that. So yeah, we're just going to dive into the front end of the car today. We're going to install that brace. I might change the grill out again. I keep going back and forth which one I want. So I think I'm going to put the sport grill back in. And then try and address these helo horns, and then try and fix the splitter. But anyways, I am going to pull this bumper off. I am going to do everything that I told you about, and hopefully we'll get this thing squared away and get the horns working again. See how that front brace looks. All right, so a few things. I didn't get the grill in yet, but I wanted to go over a couple things. I cannot figure out what's wrong with the horns. I can't get them to work. They're plugged in, everything's connected, they're grounded. I checked the ground is solid. It's not, it's getting a good connection. The horns are still not working. So either, my guess is a relay. I don't know because it happened, they stopped working one time when I held the horn down. Like I pressed the horn and held it for a second, and I was beeping at my buddy, joking around, like held the horn down, and it was like beep, and it just died. So, and it was like a sudden cutoff. It didn't like fade out. It was just like on off, and it hasn't worked since. So it might have, these helo horns might have burned out the relay, and it wasn't like I was holding it for 20 minutes or anything crazy. It was a couple seconds. But anyways, I've checked everything I can check. So the only thing to do is replace the relay and just hope that that's it. The helo horns do come with an additional like add-on relay. I got to figure out how exactly that works, and I'll just wire that in the future to keep this from happening. But either way, the front brace is on. It does fit with the helo horn bracket, even with the way I have it situated to fit the front mount. So I have three things in the front end that are supposed to, or typically, clash with each other, and they're all working. So the front brace, the front mount, and the helo horns are all in there. And it looks really good. I can't wait to see it once everything's back on the car. I'll be honest with you, the brace, typically, like, it's one of those things, right? It doesn't actually do anything. It looks good. It makes your car look like it's doing something cool, but it really doesn't actually do anything. And a lot of people are going to hate on it for that, but it looks so good that I wouldn't want to do something like this because it doesn't actually do anything, but I like it. I think it looks cool. I know a lot of you guys liked my old WRX, how I had the fog lights in the grill, and I might do that with this one. The difference was, in my old WRX, I didn't have fog lights on the bumper. So being able to put them in the grill gave me the option to still have fog lights. But with this car, I already have the fog lights in the bumper, so it seems kind of overkill to put them in the grill. However, I may still do it down the road if I change my mind on anything. But either way, everything's in there. Front mount, the front mount bracket, the helo horns, and the brace. So I'm going to swap out this grill as soon as these freaking bees stop messing with my bumper. I'm going to pull the grill out, put the sport grill back in, and I'm going to try and fix my splitter because my splitter was actually good. So I plastic welded it. You can kind of see, it's hard to see, but I plastic welded it. It was holding up just fine. And then I screwed it up, me myself. When I was working on my transmission, I was actually standing in the engine bay to get to some stuff back there, and I kind of hopped off, and when I hopped off, I literally landed on that corner and ripped it back out of the bumper. So I'm going to try and find a solution for that quick. Maybe I'll just get another piece of plastic and drill it out, and I don't know, but I'm going to try and come up with something here to fix that. Okay, so the sport grill is back in, looking good as always, and I wanted to show you guys my little solution here for the bumper. Not sure if that's actually going to hold up or not, but it's literally just a bracket that goes across where the crack is for extra support. So we have basically the bracket is keeping that from getting pushed down any further and balancing the stress across a larger area. And then I have it screwed in on both ends and through the middle where the splitter would typically go. Seems a little a little dodgy, a little sketchy, but it's just the front lip. It's not going to be a big deal. But anyways, there it is. Everything else is good. I just got to get everything back together, put this back on the car. I want to get some quick disconnects for this yellow turn signal wire because I want to be able to pull the bumper away from the car further. I could disconnect the fog lights there, but that's not going to address the turn signals. So I got to figure that out so I can actually take the bumper off and away from the vehicle without damaging those turn signals. But I'm going to put this back on the car now and we'll be all ready to go. So there it is. I think that looks really good. The front brace is installed. Everything's all good except for the horns. I didn't get the horns figured out, but I'll get to them eventually. Again, that is the NBR front brace. Joey Montalto gave that to me at Boxer Fest. Check out his channel. He makes some really cool videos over there also. It was cool meeting him and talking with him. And he had an extra one of these, so he gave it to me for the channel. So that looks really cool. I think that looks awesome. Well guys, there it is. That front brace I think looks really good. It really spiced up the front end just a little bit more. And now looking at it, I think I do prefer that sports grille. So again, that front brace came from Joey Montalto. It's an NBR front brace. Big thank you to him for giving that to me at Boxer Fest. I'll link his channel in the description so you guys can check it out. And you know, that sport grille, the Noble Sport Grille, I'm sorry, the CS style grille, the one I took out of there from Noble, I do like it, but I have to be completely honest, I prefer this one. The more I've been playing with them and swapping them in and out, I think I definitely prefer this one. And that red brace in the front, oh, that looks so good. Wow. Okay, so that is going to be it. And the splitter fix worked, by the way. It did pull that splitter up. It's all good to go now. Hopefully it holds up for a long time. But anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you taking the time to check it out. I'll leave a link to Joey's channel in the description. The full mod list and everything's down there also. If you guys don't check it regularly, it's down there for you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.